Is lack of system killing your business bottom line? I see a lot of consultants and coaches struggling to earn with consistency. They were trapped on this cycle of impractical obsession. So in the end, they don't have enough money to even pay their rentals. And they don't have any idea how much they should pay to acquire a client for their business. So they were everywhere on social media. And nowadays, it is very difficult to depend on Facebook when it comes to traffic because not only they keep changing their algorithm, Facebook are also becoming expensive. So here, let me show you the cost per conversion here on Facebook. So this one in Philippine pesos. So the exchange rate here, $1 equals to 49 pesos. So let's just make this, convert this into US dollar. So one conversion, this is for sign up. Okay, it cost me 574.47. So let's just convert this into US dollar. So it cost me $11.72 per conversion. So this is the cost per result on Facebook. So have you ever drained your advertising budget and in the end, you still cannot convert your traffic into money? Have you ever felt like it's just too much darn effort to bring your dreams to life? Guess what? I believe that anyone in any field can turn their knowledge, their expertise into a resource and take advantage of the momentum to finally feel confident to show up online to earn more with digital services and digital products. So are you ready to launch your consulting service and be on the top page of Google? So as you can see here, this is my Consulting Breakthrough Simplified program that focuses on how to launch your own consulting business using the CAP system. So you can also see my video related to this program, as well as my automated masterclass. So when you scroll down here, you will see some images. You will see this is on the first page of Google. So this one is one example of paid ads from one consulting firm. But my positioning here for the Consulting Breakthrough Simplified, these are all organic. That means that I don't pay Google for this positioning. Now, getting two different results is very common, even if one person is working harder and longer, or even if you have a big budget for advertising. Now, independent consultancy is becoming a popular business startup. More people are getting into the consulting field because of job uncertainty. When I left my highly successful job as an expat executive 8 years ago and began my business consulting startup, I purposely didn't start with a complex business plan because I knew that I would only get a sense of real income once I tested my business idea in the marketplace, not on paper, for me to see if someone will pay me. So let me show you the possibilities, how you can turn your knowledge or expertise into a resource by launching your consulting career. So this is how I work in building my own income stream pipeline. To grow, to earn more. This is my Biz Breakthroughs baby step number 3 to break through financially. By testing your business idea concept is the best and efficient way to get one or two high-ticket consulting clients. So the most important is to structure what your business is all about. Generate these high-ticket clients because very quickly that you will maximize yourself and you cannot serve more than 5 or 10 clients. Then work towards to your own passive income streams by productizing your consulting service to digital product or online course and find your army of affiliates to help you promote your services and product. So this is where I focus working on my income stream pipeline to grow and to earn more. So what would you do with an extra $2,000 or $10,000 per month? So this is how I made a leap from struggling to make $100 per client to $10,000 per client. And the good thing here is getting these high ticket clients is learnable. So maybe most of you have already started a business, but for some reason, it didn't work the way you like it. The Consulting Breakthrough Simplified is the best way to put together what you know and laying it down in a solid structure, engaging what your ideal clients needs from you, offering a result by creating a system. In consulting, what's important is see how the market reacts when you put out your message and be visible to only those people who need your help and provide the value they expect from you. So think of your number. This could be $2,000 or $10,000 monthly goal, a number that you think within reach. By using what you have now, I mean your knowledge, your experience, or expertise. And there are two big things that you need to consider. First is your business idea, and second is your positioning. So if you are starting from scratch, then testing and validating your idea is your ticket. We want to see if someone will pay you in exchange of the service you provide. So we will work on designing, building, and launching your career as a consultant. Now, what is the turning point that lead us to a different path in life? What if there is a pattern? And if learned can radically transform your finances and your life? Would you want to know that pattern? Hi, I'm Jan Kua, and I am not here to tell you that you can turn your life around in 30 days and make millions of dollars in 1 month. This will not gonna happen unless, of course, if you win a lottery. I'm not telling you to invest in properties or stock market, but I can show you the possibilities to create your own baby step on how to grow your expertise to earn more using what you have now. So I started my little breakthrough by getting out of debt. Then I started to make money from home in April of 2013. I was just hungry for a change to create the version of the life that I love. So here's the thing. No one can give you the momentum, positioning, and cash flow if you don't start creating your own little breakthrough each day. So what I'm saying here is grow your expertise to earn more. So I will walk you through how we can do this together inside this Consulting Breakthrough Simplified program. So stick with me until the end. So if you want to position your business to those who are looking for your service on Google search, then you need to master these 3 big formulas to break through. So the first part is the pre-qualifying techniques. That includes your lead magnet. This is your lead generation strategy. This is where we will refine and intensify your MVO, your minimum viable offer, to get feedback quickly. A minimum viable offer is an offer that provides the smallest number of benefits necessary to make a sale. And then the second part here is the sales power solution, to engineer your own sales mechanism, working towards your goal. That includes the automated email sequence, automated webinar, and for you to add those people who already visited your website to your retargeting list. And the third part, and the most important one, is your 30 days discipline of execution. This discipline of execution is a great resource if you easily get distracted by shiny objects around you, and if you don't have a daily plan of attack working towards your goal. So your first 30 days of action are extremely important. We bring clarity to help you build a plan of attack by combining the art and science into one solid action plan. And if you have trouble on how to get focused, then the power of Mind Matrix can help you understand how our brain plays an important role in our own success and failure. So if ever you're stuck with the old same thinking that gives you the same old results, inside this program, you will develop how to unleash the power of your mind and make decisions, especially during your difficult moment. So a great resource for you if you procrastinate, if you are having a self-doubt, or living with constant fear. So to be back to secure your own future. Because achieving or not achieving your goals has nothing to do with talent, knowledge, expertise, or motivation. But it has a lot to do with the system you have chosen. So the other big thing is your strategy. Without a strategy, how can you separate yourself with your competition in your industry? So if you want to have the full control in your business, then you need to work on your positioning and your marketing strategy. So the goal of the Consulting Breakthrough Simplified is, instead of thinking about creating your own business or your own consulting business for months or years, or planning and hoping to be your own boss but never quite making it happen, you will leave this program with the confidence to follow the process and WFA, work from anywhere. Yes, that's the goal. I don't just want you to launch your consulting career and launch your digital product. I want to give you the system and the confidence to keep sealing deals with certainty long after the program is finished. So once you experience this, you can apply these techniques all over again. I don't want you to depend on anyone or anything when it comes to money making in this 21st century, even when you completed this program with me. So you can be confident to stand alone to grow your own business role with automation. So with the Consulting Breakthrough Simplified, you can start with what you have and start from there. Think of your number. This could be $2,000 or $10,000 monthly goal. So a number that you think within reach. When you put out your work and hit your goal, then this will be an amazing accomplishment and you will never forget your first breakthrough. Then this will be followed by another breakthrough and another, because there is something that you don't expect along your journey. You will notice that people are treating you differently, treating you with more respect. People are treating you like an authority in your own field, and they want to join you and even waiting for your product to come out. So the most important is to put you in charge of your own money and your own future. Now, you may be thinking, how much is a Consulting Breakthrough Simplified will gonna cost you? The reality, the Consulting Breakthrough Simplified will not cost you anything, because if you are spending $3 for your Starbucks coffee each morning, this program is the best investment that you can give to yourself in developing your skills for money to become the byproduct of what you love doing. This is your baby step number 3 to break through financially, to grow and earn, whether to pay off all your debts for good or your home mortgage, whatever it is, it's up to you. The Consulting Breakthrough Simplified gives you the positioning in the market. And you will also get my mega bonus, the Google AdWords Mastery, to revolutionize your business. So this is where you can take control of your advertising budget in reaching your potential customers. So this means you will discover how to top with the number 1 hottest and highest targeted traffic in the world, which is Google. So this is the ultimate and affordable to stand in front of those traffic looking for your consulting service and pay only for results. So by the time that you are happy with your test concept results and have a proof of concept, you are now ready to get discovered in your industry of your choice, to attract the right customers that are highly qualified to your business. Get discovered by writing an effective ad campaign and build the illusion of grandeur by leveraging the power of remarketing that converts with Google. So one last thing I need to mention. If you want to get in, then you need to act quickly. The enrollment registration window will not open so long. I only limit the number of people inside this class. So grab your spot now to launch your consulting career and digital product. If you don't decide now, when? If not me to guide you, then who? So you need to take an extraordinary type of action. This is not about me. It's all about the breakthrough formula. This is about the system of how to grow and earn more. So I just stumbled upon on this formula few years back, and this discovery becomes my breakthrough program. So the pattern to success will never change, and you need to decide for yourself. It's about taking the first action, then gradually improving that action in building a business and a life that you deserve. I was so incredibly fortunate when I decided to take charge of my future, to end job and money uncertainties. And that decision took me to where I am now today. So living the kind of lifestyle, traveling around the world with my family, and making an impact to other people's lives. So you need to make a decision for yourself. I cannot make it for you. The only thing I can do is to tell you the possibility for you to grow and earn more that absolutely works not only for me, but also for other consultants and coaches out there. Of course, you need to learn the formula and work the formula. A lot of people made the same decision before you. After you do your successful breakthroughs, you will immediately be playing with your next breakthrough and next breakthrough. So your life will not be the same again if you take action now. But if you decide to pass this investment, I can guarantee you that you will be in the same position, earning the same, and be stuck in a rut. Now is your time. It's time to grow, to create the version of the life that you love. Earn more and be part of the Consulting Breakthrough Simplified owners. So there's never been a better time. This flash open registration is closing soon. So click the enroll button now and experience this awesome power of properly executed breakthrough into your life and in your business. So I provide you the most flexible payment option to launch your consulting career and digital product. Plus, you can get my Google AdWords Mastery Course Mega Bonus. So this is your time for you to create a bigger, more better, more exciting, and more luxurious life that you cannot imagine. Click the enroll button now and I will see you inside. Jankoa here, your breakthrough guide to design your future.